South Africa has become the unofficial rape capital of the world. According to the Medical Research Council, 150 rape cases are committed every hour, with 10 women being raped every 4 minutes. That's 3,600 rapes per day.
Why people rape? According to my opinion, rape is about power struggle. The other person feeling more powerful than the other, that's violating their human rights. And rape can date back to when there were wars in countries. You'll find that soldiers, men in general, will start raping or violating women victims.
We spoke to the general public and this is what they had to say.
Especially amantombazane, ngicabanga ukuthi ugovernment akenzanga lutho oluhle noma lifike ezingeni lokuthi bonke abantu abahlukumezekile bakwazi ukuthola uncedo.
If women learn self-defense techniques, then they can be able to defend themselves against people who are targeting them to rape them and all that stuff. And I think that is the solution to this problem.
With young girls, women and even goggles being raped in South Africa every day, the question many ask is what sort of penalties can be implemented to those who commit these crimes, and how can we keep the women of South Africa safe? For TT News, my name is Carol Smith, Soshanguve.